Welcome friends, this is Dr. Prashant Patil, Jain College of Engineering, Belagavi. Please subscribe my channel, leave the comments and also don't forget to hit the like button. In this video, I am going to discuss on Laplace Transforms, definition of a periodic function and Laplace Transform of a periodic function.
Before starting with the Laplace Transform, let me define the periodic function. A function f of t is said to be periodic function of period capital T greater than 0 if function f of t plus n into t, that is t is replaced by t plus n into t, then also I am going to get it is equal to f of t. Then such functions are known to be periodic functions where n is equal to positive integers 1, 2, 3 and so on. And here sin t and cos t are the periodic functions of period 2 pi. As if f of t is equal to sin t and t is replaced by t plus n t, n is equal to 1 equal to I am choosing first, then I am going to get t plus 2 pi. Sine of 2 pi plus t is also equal to sin t by using the allied angles, therefore it is f of t. If I am using f of t plus 2 into 2 pi, that is will become sine of t plus 4 pi, also equal to sin t only, that is f of t. Okay, like this, if I am using this n equal to 1, 2, 3 and all those things, I am going to get the same sin t equal to f of t. Therefore, sin t and cos t are the periodic functions of period 2 pi. Even graphically also you can check, means for a particular interval of time t, they are repeating the same thing. Say for example, let me draw the sin t graph here. This is my t, this is my f of t. Okay, we know that for sine of 0 equal to 0, let me start here. Then sine of pi by 2, sine 90 degree is equal to 1. Therefore, let me take here sine of pi by 2, pi, then 3 pi by 2, then next 2 pi. Okay, then sine pi by 2 equal to 1, then sine pi equal to again 0. Okay, these are the points. Then sine of 3 pi by 2 is again equal to minus 1. Sine of 2 pi equal to again 0. This is my sine wave. Okay, for one period 0 to 2 pi 1 period. Like that, if I am repeating this one for next one is 5 pi by 2, next after 5 pi by 2 it is 3 pi, sorry 3 pi, next 7 pi by 2 and next 4 pi. If I am taking the values, this is going to become again plus 1 and here it is 0, again it is minus 1 and this one. For period, this period again the function will remain the same. This is one period, this is a second period, for it is repeating. Such functions are known to be a periodic functions. Okay, next I am going to discuss the, if function f of t is a periodic function, then what will be its Laplace transform. Okay, the theorem is, if f of t is a periodic function of period capital T, then Laplace transform of that function f of t is 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus s into capital T, where capital T is that period, and integration between 0 to capital T e raised to minus st into f of t dt. This is a function, this derivation I am skipping here, just you have to remember the formula. If f of t is a periodic function of capital T, then Laplace transform of that function is given by 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus st into integration between 0 to t e raised to minus st f of t dt. Okay, example on this I am going to solve here. Okay, in this example, if f of t is equal to t square, where t is lying between 0 to 2, and f of t plus 2 is equal to f of t for t greater than 2. Then find Laplace transform of f of t. From the given problem, we can observe that the function f of t is periodic function of period t, capital T equal to 2. You can write here f of t is equal to t square is a periodic function of period capital T equal to 2. Okay, for t plus 2 equal to, they are given, and 0 to t it is period. Okay, that's why it is a periodic function of period capital T. Then using the formula for periodic function, let me find the Laplace transform. Therefore, Laplace transform of f of t is equal to 1 divided by, I will substitute capital T equal to 2 and f of t equal to t square in the formula. 1 minus e raised to minus s into 2 integration from 0 to 2 e raised to minus st into t square dt. Okay, just I am substituting the formula f of t equal to t square and capital T equal to 2. This one I have to integrate with respect to t between 0 to 2. Okay, to integrate this function e raised to minus st into t square is there. I will use the function Bernoulli's rule to integrate this. Bernoulli's rule of general integration. Okay, that is integration of u into v. If it is there, then I can write it as u into v1 minus u dash into v2 minus u double dash into v3, sorry, plus minus alternatively like that, where u dash is equal to du by, if it is x is there, then du by dx, u double dash is du dash by dx, and so on. Okay, and whereas v1 is nothing but integration of v dx, and v2 is integration of v1, whatever your answer you are getting, that you have to integrate v1 of dx, and v3 is integration of v2 dx. Like that it carries successive differentiations, successive integrations. This formula I will going to apply here, which is equal to now, okay, 1 divided by 1 minus e raised to minus 2s, and this integration I will do here by using the Bernoulli's rule. I will consider this one as u and this one as a v. Okay, first u as it is t square into v1 integration of e raised to minus st, that is e raised to minus st divided by minus s is the integration of v1, minus u dash is differential of t square, that is 2t, into v2 is nothing but integration of v1, this is my v1, integration of this, that is e raised to minus st, already minus s is there, one more minus s will come, minus s square. Okay, the next plus u double dash differential of 2t is 2 v3 integration of v2, integration of this, that is e raised to minus st divided by minus s, already minus s square is there, minus s cube. Okay, next minus differentiation of 2 will become 0 and your term will become 0, therefore stop here. Then this is between the limits 0 to 2, substitute upper limit minus lower limit and simplify. Okay, next 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 2s into bracket, upper limit I will substitute, t equal to 2 first, that is 2 square e raised to e raised to minus 2s divided by minus s minus 2 into 2 this one, and e raised to minus 2s divided by minus s the square plus 2 e raised to minus 2s divided by minus s cube. Okay, this is for upper limit, minus for lower limit t equal to 0. I have to substitute. Okay, for t equal to 0, first term will become 0, 0 into anything will become 0, minus second term t equal to 0, 0. Okay, next in this function plus 2 into e raised to 0 is 1, 1 divided by minus s cube. This is my lower limit. Simplifying this, I am going to get my required answer. That is 1 divided by 1 minus e to the power minus 2s into bracket. Okay, this will become 4 times. From all these terms we can just check e to the power minus 2s is common. Okay, and then this is e to the power 2 square is 4, 4 divided by minus s, and this is also minus 4 divided by minus s square is plus s square, and plus 2 divided by minus s cube. Okay, and this due to this I can write here minus plus minus 2 divided by minus s cube, and due to this minus I can write it as plus. This is my required answer. This is the Laplace transform of a periodic function. Okay, like this, some more examples I am going to solve in my next video. Please subscribe my channel, give the comments, and also don't forget to hit the like button. Thank you friends.